You're watching Shoot Your Shot TV, and today we have the Nike Cortez. These are the Nike Cortez in white, varsity red, and varsity blue. If you're familiar with our channel, you know we love the Nike Cortez over here. And before we jump into it, we want to give a huge shout out to 1985 Gallery for letting us get an early look at these. Let's go ahead and dive into the details, starting with the tongue. It's made of this nylon material, and it does feature an embroidered Nike swoosh in red. They come with flat white laces, and surrounding the eyelets and the laces is this leather overlay with a rigid cutout pattern. Taking us down the tip of the laces, you do have this silver dubray with an embossed Nike swoosh, and then you do see more of that rigid leather overlay as you get towards the tip of the toe. For the toe box, you do see this tumbled leather overlay that sits atop more tumbled leather for the upper. Taking us to the side panel of the shoe and the quarter panel, you do have more of that soft tumbled leather material. Right on top of that, you do see this varsity red Nike swoosh in leather as well, but it's a more synthetic leather. Doesn't have that tumbled texture to it. Taking us to the back of the shoe, you do have a red leather heel tab, and it does have a Nike swoosh in white, which is embossed into the heel tab. Underneath that, you do have another leather overlay for the heel cup. For the midsole, it consists of this foam material in white, but it does have that varsity blue strip going through it. For the outsole, you do have that classic herringbone traction with the Nike swoosh logo right in the middle. For those of you who might not know, the Nike Cortez made its debut way back in 1972 at the height of the Olympics as Nike's first track shoe. They were designed by Nike co-founder Bill Bowerman, and they've been a fan favorite ever since. We did previously review the black nylon Cortez, and in that video we mentioned how in the late 80s and early 90s, the Cortez was really popular amongst gangster rap like NWA, as well as LA's gang culture. We did see a lot of comments where people were mentioning how this is a very popular shoe in Chicano culture as well, and that's 100% true. This specific colorway has been retroed a handful of times. They were even featured in the 1994 award-winning film Forrest Gump, where he runs cross-country in a pair of Nike Cortez in this exact color. And more recently, we did see Sakai make a vapor waffle with this colorway as well. And even more recently, we saw Devin Booker break out a pair of Book 1 PEs with this Nike Cortez color. Truly a classic. These will be releasing on Wednesday, May 8th. If you're in the area, you can stop by 1985 Gallery to pick up your pair. They retail for $110. If you're not in the area, you could click our StockX affiliate link listed below. Any purchase made using that link helps support the channel so we can keep these reviews coming. We appreciate all the support. As far as comfort and sizing goes, the Cortez is pretty comfortable even though it's a model from over 50 years ago. They're very lightweight, you can be in them all day, wear them all day, but they just lack in the ankle support area. Sizing, I always go up a half size as they do run a little narrow. Going up a half size fit me best. And as far as style goes, the Nike Cortez is one of the most legendary silhouettes. They help put Nike on the map. And this shoe right here is important to a lot of different people from different cultures for many different reasons. These go with pretty much anything. It's really hard to break a fit with a pair of Nike Cortez. They're stylish, they're sleek, good color blocking. You really can't go wrong. But how do you guys feel about the Nike Cortez? Do you already own a pair or two? Will this be your first Cortez that you own? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you guys. As always, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. We appreciate all the support. Let's go ahead and try these on.
Spy music up the chart, God willing, from a squad to all villains on the Mata Godzilla. Chillin' nothing but SF, Giants Heat, Nike fleece from 93, about to throw on that MJ, come and fly with me. Man, this ain't that drama, you wanna try your act out. I tell the pilot to land in Thailand, right on Bison's background. In the mighty jungle when confronted, lions back down. Fredo becomes David, about to chop Goliath's ass down. The most consistent, most unstoppable with no resistance. The Mega Mall boys load the clip, we on the road to riches. Man, what you say anyway? I don't think no one listens. How you finna talk about where we at when you're in no position? Hold up, I'm about to roll up. This whole prescription, Hercules, Michael Bolton singing, I can go the distance.
If you enjoyed this review on the Nike Cortez, make sure you check out all our other retro Nike reviews as well. We got a bunch for you all to binge and enjoy. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button so you can be notified every time we drop a new episode. And we'll catch you on the next one.